Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. And I have with me today Emily.
I'm back.
Today we are going to show some really fun things with you. We are going to show you our brand new design. And the brand new design that we've got out, it's the spring pennants and banners. Look how fun these are. We've got, I'm going to set it down here so you can get an even better shot. Right here, look how much fun. We've got our bunny behind this cute Easter egg.
Yes.
It's so much fun. And this has got some beautiful stitching.
Over here we've got the clovers, and look at how fun this is with the two different types of glitter. This one's the polka dot glitter and this one's just our regular glitter. And then this one right here, how fun with the St. Patrick's Day sayings on
Yes, and we've added mylar. Can you see that little speck of gold? The pot of gold is actually gold mylar. How fun is that? So we've also got some other fun. Look how much fun that is. Adding the alphabet with the spring pennants and banners, don't you think?
Yes.
I love this.
So yeah, this one right here, the words in the middle are from our alphabet one, and then these are our new spring ones that we've just added to the end.
And we've used the polka dot glitter right here, and how fun to make that gold for the U, the lucky U, like the lucky horseshoe almost. So much fun. In fact, we have our packages of glitter. This is what they would look like if you go to your local quilt shop. We've got, there's some of the gold that we've used, and we've got the polka dot glitter, and there's our regular glitter. Isn't that fun? So go to your local quilt shop and find the glitter that they have and make so many fun creative things. I love this. Let's show them the spring pennant. This I just love.
This is so cute.
Oh, you see that whole thing? It is just so sweet. And I just love the spring. And how's that fill? That fill stitch is so much fun. Now you can also do the letters in Chanel. So this is just the plain applique. So I do want to clarify that the letters are from our That's So Chanel alphabet banner set. And the new spring banner, this is what you would see. This is the new, I'm so excited for this, Hello Spring. And this is the pennants and banners. So we use both of these products to make this word banner. So much fun. And I'm going to show you the sizes. They come in 5 sizes even, not just 4 patterns, but also 5 sizes. I'll let you hold that one, Emily. Look how fun. This is the itty bitty. Look how small that is. So cute. Made in a 4x4 hoop right there. And look how fun. The different colors of glitter
on there.
Oh, and look at the different sizes. This would be your 5x7, your small. And there's a medium. And then we even get large, clear up to our extra large. And oh, I just love all the glitter. Really fun.
I love the bunny and glitter.
Yes.
Right? That white glitter, isn't that just fun?
And the polka dot.
Just beautiful. So today I want to show you some tips on how to finish off these beautiful spring banners. The first thing is I'm going to show you one that's ready. So this one is just a single pennant. And if you wanted to add the twine, the ribbon, the dowels, all of the instructions are in the manual or in the directions, and we've added pom-pom trim.
Pom-pom trim to the bottom.
And those are also a Kimberbell product that you can find in your local shop. Quilt shop right there is the pom-pom trim. It also comes with a fringe trim that you could add. And we've got ribbon.
We've got ribbon and twine.
And this is the twine. I'm going to show you how to use the black twine, but this comes in packages, 3 yards right there.
And ribbon of all colors.
Or green twine, 6 yards. Yes, and there's lots of different ribbon colors. So please check out your local quilt shop and find those. So today I'm going to show you a couple tips and tricks on how we like to put these together. I'm going to slide that out of the way. And the first one I'm going to show you is how to put just a single banner together, just like we did this spring. So I've got some fun little chopstick. If you have a chopstick or something similar to a chopstick, I love this trick. This is a great trick. So I'll show you what I've done. I've taken tape and I have taped the twine just to the pointed end of the chopstick.
Okay.
And I'll show you how to tape that on when I do the ribbon. So we're gonna take the twine and I just pop it right in here and you just slide it right through and right out the other end. And that's just such an easy way, don't you think?
Makes it so simple
So
to
simple.
pull that twine through.
And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut that twine loose. Will you get that off for me? What I like to do is, a lot of people are like, I don't know how long. Look how long that would be. That's hanging pretty far. So my rule of thumb is, and you can have your own rule of thumb if you'd like, I take the dowel that I'm gonna put in the top part of this, and I measure about halfway down from the point, the tip, to here. And then when I pull this down, if I were to tie that, I want it to go just a little bit past halfway. That's just a great rule of thumb. So, and I'll show you my halfway. So if you take the tip, that would be halfway. I want it to be just a hair longer than halfway when it's tied. So that's where I want to tie it, is right there. So that's what I'm gonna do, is tie a little knot right there. And then I clip the excess thread. Emily's got the honors there. And then you simply slide this so that your knot is hidden. And there you have no knot showing. So then you just simply slide your dowel in next to that, and there is, and that won't come off, because if you just tie it to the ends, the sides of the
Slides
dowel.
off the ends, and then we've had a lot of them fall apart from sliding off the ends, so this is the best way we've found.
Yeah. So if you loop it all the way through, that way it doesn't ever come off of those. The second thing is, and I'll let Emily help me tie this, is we like to tie ribbon, but we tie it to the twine. So this one has the ribbon tied to the twine and not to the dowel. And that way the ribbon stays on really, really well. So that's another thing that we like to do. And then another trick, if you're wanting to use ribbon, so we've done this where we've placed ribbon all the way through, this is a perfect example. We have ribbon placed all the way through here, and then we just tied short strands of ribbon in between each one. So when we've done that, again, I use a chopstick. Get the other size of that one. And then I take the chopstick and I take the ribbon and a little piece of tape. Isn't that a cute one? I love that dispenser.
Everything just needs a little gold on it.
Right? So I just take the tape and then I just slide it around, and make sure that when you slide it around that your ribbon is coming back with this. Don't put the ribbon the other way, because then it's going to get caught up as it slides through. So there again, the ribbon wants to go the same direction as the rest of your chopstick. So you can slide it through. Yeah, two of this size right here. So you slide it through one, and just make sure you don't catch that lip. There's one, and here's another one. And it just makes it really fast. If you've got them all lined up, you just start sliding them through. Look how quick that is. And then I just put them all on the ribbon, and once they're all on the ribbon, I'll just move this so you can see. Once I have them all lined up on the ribbon, I slide them to where I want them to be, and I tie the ribbon in between. And then when you tie off this ribbon, if you want, you can put a little dot of glue to hold it so they don't slide back and forth. And then they're all set right where they need to be. So that's just a lot of fun little tips, just quick ways of finishing off your project. And we have just had so much fun making these. I remember we all wanted to make the bunny was our favorite. So let us know which one of these is going to be your favorite and which one you want to make. And if you've made any and you've already done that, please send us some pictures. We would love to see what you've got and what you've made out there. Do we have any questions?
Not this week, just a lot of hearts, and they all love the bunny one and the lucky one.
Oh, yes, I love St. Patrick's Day. It's a little special place in my heart for St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, and glitter. They all commented on the glitter
today. So much fun, yes. And this is just so much fun. I think the spring, just all the fun stitching.
Yeah.
Very, very beautiful.
One more close-up.
This is a really fun close-up because it shows the really fun stitching on this, and there's a lot of pattern stitching. It's just really pretty. Really pretty. This is just a breath of fresh air for spring.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.